I got this beautiful 11-inch baker dish. I try to collect something out of this Winterberry collection as often as I can, and I found this. It was new. I guess I'm going to be the first reviewer, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I got a couple of other pieces out. There's the gravy pitcher, which is large. I might put a link in for it. It is really nice. And some of my cheese spreaders. They have the holly berry on the top and the pie cutter. Well, this truly is 11 inches long, and I think it's 2 inches deep. Yes, 2 inches deep and 11 inches long. And it's perfect for baking. It says it's also dishwasher and microwave safe. Awesome, right? After dinner, put it in the fridge, take it out, stick it in the microwave if you need to. It has the holly and the holly berries on there. I guess what they're calling them, winter berries. Stamped on the bottom. You know, it goes with the collection. It's absolutely wonderful. It weighs, let's see, I weighed it. They say it weighs 1.39 pounds. My scale showed closer to 1.5 pounds, but not over that. Comes in a really nice box if you wanted to gift it away. And if you are just looking at these for the first time, the box looks like it's white, but these are more of a off-white color, a bit of a cream, and I really like it because it's a little more muted and not that stark color that comes with plain white. I was just going to lay a bill in here so you could see it is a large dish. I think looking at the oval, it looks like it's much smaller than it actually is. I love it. I'm stoked. It's perfect. I'll put it back in the box and put it away until next season and take it out and enjoy. So thank you guys for listening.